YouTube, what the fuck going on? Got another video for y'all. Some exclusive shit too. You know, we over here, Rose spot. We about to look at some of these hard ass cars we got here and shit like that. Yeah, a little walkthrough. We're gonna see some of this fly shit. You know what I'm saying? Big ass man, that shit probably heavy as a bitch. That shit probably heavier than me. God damn. Got my boy Fresh, Brando, Musa, this motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Oh man, leave me on camera now. Never. Yeah. That's RT Fresh, the one responsible for all them big ass, ignorant ass. Hey, please, big ass car ride outs. That's the man responsible for it. Book with Fresh, you know what I'm saying? Need them car for your video or something like that. Tap in with my boy. You know, he like to stay behind the scenes and shit. We put your ass on camera.
Working so hard on that.
Yeah, I see what we at with it and shit, man. For anybody who couldn't make it out here, you know, couldn't get in type shit. You know what I'm saying? I'll make sure y'all get to see everything. Y'all don't miss nothing. You feel me? Got the cars out. You know what I'm saying? Some good people out type shit. About to do some good ass networking and shit. It's like my first like big event in the A. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully we got many more of these coming up type shit. Hopefully next time the goal is for my shit to be parked up in here somewhere. You feel me? That's what we gonna manifest that, you feel me? That the cat gonna be somewhere in the front yard, but not in the event as a guest. You know what I'm saying? Because we gonna be locked in like that. I'm gonna manifest. I'm putting that in the air right now.
This guy already VIP. He wanna be a special guest next level. He manifesting all this shit, man. This guy real hustler. He just wanna be next.
Look at this spot, yo. That kind of get me kind of in it too, like, you hear me? Hey, you hear me?
Yep.
Kind of like, oh, look at this house, y'all. I look at the picture like that on the
Spin that shit, nigga spin that shit. I like a gangsta ass nigga making more than 10 figures. It's riding with you in the swag. Only fuck with the hitters for his girl. He a trigger calling up a trap phone pussy.
hands out, he got the umbrella. He's a girl, one of them shit. Yeah, man, fans start working. You gotta replace a fuse in that motherfucker, ain't it?
Oh, no, yeah, I turned
replace
that
the
bitch
relay
on
in that
now.
bitch, ain't it?
Where'd you get this? Amazon.
Them fans really fucking up on you. You gotta replace a fuse in that bitch or something.
Solar powered fan in that.
That's
Tell me
crazy.
you got money without telling me you got money. Solar power fans?
This boy ready.
What button is it?
Yo, what you?
That hood hard as a bitch. Alright. Alright, Rose. I fought with your heart. But you really could have touched up on them headlights though. Not gonna lie, man.
I got a new song. So we stuck in the bag. Ice bucket challenge. Come on, man.
Ice bucket challenge. Oh shit.
You gotta hug the horse too. Yeah, you scared. You scared.
That's a big motherfucker, guy.
How you feeling? You didn't even hug it.
I did. That was a
Go ahead, don't be scared.
Which one? Oh, he's so. I seen somebody get kicked by a horse before.
Hey, that's why.
Hey. Okay.
That's my brand covered by God's grace.
You gonna, yeah, do it right now. Hugger. You want me to record it?
I can hug the horse? You can hug her neck up.
Yeah, he like her.
Is this recording?
He like her.
Yeah, it is.
Oh. Okay, how you feeling? Yeah, oh, sweetheart.
Real horsepower.
I'll take it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Cowgirl founder of Covered by God's Grace.
Hello.
Ooh, there we go.
Hello. Covered by God's grace.
Yeah.
That was all the hug you had?
Hey, I do this with my dog. Paw.
He not for
Hey, put your camera there next to the horse so I can be like, Brando, shoots content.
Hey, y'all, comment below and tell me what y'all think this man insurance payment is.
Yeah, he owned the insurance. He owned
He own the insurance.
the insurance company. You know?
To be honest, I feel like once you got $1 million in your account, you don't need insurance on your car.
Don't need insurance, right?
You can pay out of pocket.
Right.
Yeah.
He got a Humvee.
Look at the paint on that bill.
Bro, our Humvee ain't had no, like,
Man, got the lions and shit. My boy over there shooting a whole music video in this bitch. He said he gonna get this shit. Hey, he said he gonna get his whole money worth in this bitch, boy. Video out this motherfucker. He got the props and everything. Boy,
make sure y'all tune in. Watch the whole video all the way through. Y'all know I haven't been here in a long time. Maybe I might be back. I might be. I don't know. We ain't gonna call it a comeback, but I know y'all miss me like I miss y'all. So go ahead. Make sure you like, comment. This is what you do. Every opportunity you take it.
every opportunity you take it, man, out here shooting a whole music video in front of the house. You like, fuck it.
I want to go hype him up.
Go hype him up, yeah.
Yeah, we're vlogging.
I mean, look at me. I mean, I'm at the front door. You know, I'm at the front door, which is very special, and I don't take that for granted. I know that me being put up here, I have a special place in somebody's heart. So
what's going on? This is Rick Maharaj from Maharaj Customs out of Brentwood, California. We're here with our 62 ragtop Impala. We call it Rolex. 740 horsepower beast, twin turbo, LS3, horse chop gray.
Twin turbo.
Horse chop gray, but we mixed a little bit of yellow oxide in it, so it gives that creamy gray color. And that makes the bronze and the gold pop off of this monotone color. Then the interior is all bronze and gold, Bordeaux color interior.
Exactly.
And of course, the bottom of the car is all bronze and gold. All the bolts are titanium 24K.
Hey, just to let y'all know, we paid $5,000 today. This supposed to be dehydrated, tired, sweaty, sticky. Pretty much, I feel like I'm paying to be a slave again, really, today. Honestly. We paid all this money to walk around the field. I'm just saying, think about it. You don't have to worry about that. You was on the porch. So you might as well go back up to Rick Ross' house.
not move, please.
Yeah, man. You gonna be ignoring motherfuckers and shit, boy. What the move for tomorrow is, man?
I thought you had to work up from Mississippi. I was like,
No, I said, what's the name of it?
right, oh God.
Oh, this?
We ain't gonna let you guys hang it like that, you know?
Thank you. Hey, look, this is why y'all
Appreciate you.
Support
them.
They take care of the family. Okay?
Everybody
Blue
good?
made sure that everybody was good when we came out here. Make sure y'all go tap in. Vitamins in it, y'all. It's a good energy drink.
Let me see your mouth. It's
Healthy as hell. Honest to God, how does it
No, it's good. It's good, for real.
It's fire.
No, facts.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. No complaints. So grateful.
Like, once I get this plate, I'm really gonna be right where I need to be at. Cause something's smelling good. I just need some barbecue, some pulled pork, all the shit I don't normally eat. I just want that today. You feel me?
This is so delicious. No doubt.
Oh, my.
Listen, y'all asked me where my plane at.
Oh yeah, that's a good flex, though.
$130 million.
$130 million.
Won't hit the club without my tool like I got license, nigga. My 40,000 worth of jewels, I ain't gon' price it, nigga. But I'm on up and I'm on bust and I'm on strike it, nigga. I make one call to my bateau and get my price delivered. I bleed the streets, get off that load and overnight the skriller. Put on that ski, cut on that stove, and work that bike themselves. I see the realest niggas fold that I ice and figures. You better ice them niggas, I'm like that. Give me a little bit and I came right back to my child. St. Petersburg, Florida, this bitch Iraq. Niggas wanna try that, so they puss ass get fired at. Same niggas who talkin' see their head off, ran a fly flat. I ain't lied yet. I'ma go all in, let's buy that cash, I'ma take that bag, I'ma get this cheap. No price, we talking nice, get bricks are clean for like 15. When you bust them out the ground, smell just like gasoline. I ain't never had a thing, now I'm tired of the cartel. To my bitches, I'm a player, to my city, I'm the mayor. So God ain't a new doctor, boy, them scripts to make you rich. Last one got caught with 1.9 million when they blitz. True story. It's my city, it's my city. All the time, and I'm back in no chances. I be the one, when I get told, yeah, I don't sleep, but it's all my home floor, yeah. Niggas wanna kill me, my nigga, then why the fuck is I ain't dead yet? 2, 1, 2, 3. Get down, let's get you on the road. Who fuck you good when cause bitch, I heard about how you get. Tell your nose it broke and your friends, I see it. Dedicated to this hustle shit. Listen, hug it, love it, dub it, miss me with. Dade County in the motherfucking building. 305 in this bitch. 954 in this bitch. West Palm Beach, Orlando, Duval. Where the fuck you from? Let me know, Alabama, South Carolina, where y'all from? Everybody lay it down. Come on, represent your town. Where you from? Where you from? Who in this bitch? Okay, that's good enough for me then. This where we at, Nasty.
This what I'm not gonna do. I'm not gonna perform in the sun and y'all motherfuckers just looking at me. So we gonna have a good time. I'm gonna act up real quick. I'm gonna take this shit back to the city girl.
Let's go. Here we go. We have the promised land with. Y'all ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. What? Big Birkin man on the 5, 6. Motherfucking noise one time.
Okay, before I get into my next song, I got one question. There's a lot of ladies in here, so I need y'all to represent me when I ask y'all this next question, alright? Do my ladies run this motherfucker? Hell yeah! I'm like, guys, damn, how does it go on this man? What the fuck going on? Ross, put me on. I'm trying to get some of that money too. But all my scary ass niggas Where you going at?
Come on.
Where you at? Stuffing that shit out. Some twang. Girl going at.
I said, hold on, still. The Ross talk about he want to nigga do it. Do it, big nigga. Do it, big nigga. Do it, big nigga. Do it, big nigga. Do it, nigga. Do it. Where you at this? What?
Where you going at?
Hold on.
Oh shit.
Ross got it hit it one time. Listen, I'm number 47 on Billboard. I'm trying to go to number 32, but if you hit this then, that's my good luck charm. So I need you to hit it for me real quick.
Do it like a good luck charm. Do it like a good luck charm. Do it, nigga. Do it, nigga. Do it, nigga. Huh? Where you at, huh? What you better? Tell him again. 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 Let's go.
But make sure y'all go ahead, like, subscribe, comment.
Hey, I got you on that good shit, the big cameras. You know what I'm saying?
Turn my boy up. And he record the ground.
Check this out, bro. We outside, about to get this content. About to see Rick Ross. I ain't like this part. I really want to call Drake, bro, because Rick Ross, why this bitch ain't packed?
First of all, if you call Drake, Drake's gonna say, I know who I'm gonna see at the airport and they go to me. And then my boy Rick Ross gonna come back and say, it's alright, he's flying economy because he getting $150,000 Starlink in his private jet. That's Wi-Fi. $150,000 million Wi-Fi. You gotta put that clip in there.
MOPARS and action, little bitch, you know we slime for MIA. Riding around with fully gloss light on who blocked it, that's the case. Twin got pushed out on his chart, that bitch hit hard, take off his face. RPMs just skip the gear, it's hard to steer, he down today. MIA, we up in traffic, MIA, we up in action. Push the wood, we up in action. Batmobile, this bitch is dashing. They say this bitch shit, yeah, the flashy, yeah, the way I switch the trap. My niggas selling bows and pounds, yeah, my niggas get it packed. The way my